soap stories. Center wants to give ticket to retired Lieutenant General Himalaya while Chief Minister Biren to ex-MLA Loken. Journal Public Health Laboratory Moray remains non-functional lock. And Loktak irrigation project exists in name only. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY Chanambam with the news in detail. After the schedule of 17 Lok Sabha election being fixed, it turns out to be a big headache for the ruling BJP party on shortlisting of the names of candidate who is representing the party in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Here is a report.
With Lok Sabha election just around the corner, it has come to light that many of the aspiring BJP candidates who have submitted their names are now in a condition where they might not get a chance to contest in the upcoming election. According to a reliable source received by TOM-TV, as against the belief and expectation of the public, it is either the ex-MLA of Sagolban constituency, Dr. K.H. Loken, present chairman of Manipur Public Service Commission, retired Colonel K. Himalay, that will represent the ruling BJP from the inner Manipur parliamentary constituency. As per the information from one unnamed leader of BJP, it is known that Chief Minister Biren had come up with Dr. K.H. Loken's name for the inner constituency, while the ruling central government is in favor of Lieutenant Colonel K. Himalay, yet the center still give weightage to Biren's opinion. It could be also an agenda of Biren in trying to look out for someone who is weaker than the present MLA of Sagolban constituency, R.K. Imo, the son-in-law of the Chief Minister, who is contesting in the next state assembly election. Meanwhile, a total of 11 BJP aspiring candidates are racing in chase of the party ticket, and among them are retired IPS T.H. Basanta, son of former MP Thaunaugzam Sauba, former candidate of BJP, and who is also one of the big names of BJP Manipur Pradesh. R.K. Ranjan, including others. In this situation, the center unexpectedly brought up retired Colonel K. Himalay's name to give out the ticket. And it is learned that while serving as a chairman of Manipur Public Service Commission, retired Colonel Himalay was a close associate of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Rajnath Singh and other Indian political leaders.
Even as the government is taking up various development projects, many have remained incomplete or non-functional. Here's a report.
Thousands of people from Manipur visit the Namphalong market and Tamu market in Myanmar every day. Various edible products, which does not even have proper manufacturing date or expiry date on its packaging, are being brought in the state through cross-border trade. It is a matter of great concern as many of these items may be health hazardous. The state government have been taking up various steps to ensure safety of food. However, some of the laboratories for food safety have remained unfunctional. The same story goes for the Zonal Public Health Laboratory at the Moray PHC complex. Minister of Health and Family Welfare L. Jayanta Kumar inaugurated the health laboratory on December 12 last year. It's been more than 3 months since it was inaugurated. However, the office building has remained locked ever since it was inaugurated. TOM-TV News, in an exclusive inspection visit to Moray, found the office building locked and there was no sign of office setup. Besides, not a single machine was found installed in the office building.
The Zonal Public Health Laboratory here in Moray has remained non-functional after the inauguration by Minister L. Jayanta Kumar in the month of December previous year. Now the question is, the Food Safety Department, which has been making efforts in trying to stop food adulteration and things that does not have expiry date on its packaging, which comes from Myanmar and other countries through Moray. So it needs to be taken care of. However, the machines which have been brought for installation in this office has remained uninstalled so far. Now we can see over here, the office has remained closed after its inauguration in the month of December. And over here, if you can see through the window, right here, you can see that there is a machine. However, it seems like it has never been opened since it's been brought. And the next room of this office, we don't see any machinery, any documents, any paperwork in this office, which means that it has never been started, let alone functioning properly. It has never been started. So many have asked this question, who is responsible and who is going to take care of this? Jayjit with camera person Bishojit, Times of Manipur, Moreh.
As part of the Loktak project, the construction of Loktak irrigation project was started in year 1983. However, it has not been functioning for the past so many years till now, making the farmers face extreme hardships. A report on this.
Many of the irrigation canals which were constructed with a vision to provide water supply to farmers living around the Loktak Lake and Kumbong area in Imphal West are of no use. A team led by volunteers of Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights and Environment Conservation Network and media forces paid an inspection visits to various irrigation canals located in places like Kabo Waksing Maning, Haurukban and Konthokza Maning Laikai in Nambol constituency and Sunusifai Maning Laikai in Visnupur district on 7 of this month.
Lokinen hana seme lokinen dagi mo haikinen sidamu ising si pukhalaga somda low hingon koiba mayam am lebanina sikana ba pigani hana moina akoi gi patadar mayam dagi low mayam am isa gi pata si yauri patadar mayam dagi low mayam khairga hujik madu hujik to khai gra matung da hujik lemori bisidi kari oitar ge habeda akoi de su kana ba phangdraba adagi ising su phangdraba adagi lomi mayam na hingon ko idin honam basu kinin sinamu maning thangmasi maning thangmo ikra mamang thangmasi madi lambi oina der ga sin pulap that kibani na koi ising machine khudong jab ama bau phangdreba.
It is learned that the project was taken off under the supervision and approval of the Planning Commission in the year 1972 with an assurance to the then state government to complete it within the 5-year plan. In spite of a completion report issued later, the irrigation project is yet to be completed. According to a website report from India WRIS Wiki Water Resources Information System, it came to light that the project was completed at the cost of 28.79 crore rupees, while the approved cost of the project is only 4.62 crore rupees. Moreover, more than 80,000 acres of land were seriously affected due to this project.
Ising laitanadi akhoi rabi gi portray mana masing atagi second crop first crop ate na singasi ising jipi dramnina iban lamdam asida akhoi gi pukhri gi ising drain gi ising khudim mase pi bangam dramina masig Imphal men kenen asi totally masi fail oire
lomi sing punamakna irang hortingai da ID press ki puthang da ina banjaning se masi irang si laktingai matam da masi padana department na amadi kanogi sarkar gi side gi masi amutang function hanagi normal da function to honbiu haiba.
During the trip, it is also known that many farmers residing in those places are not getting a single drop of water from the Loktak irrigation project, which is an irony to the fact that they depend solely on water for their livelihood. At such situation, the farmers condemned the government for making false promises and asserted about a possibility of an uprising from the farmers if the government still turned a deaf ear to the issue.
Irrigation department gangbuna kuga canal tauriga hujik pause success oidreba tahi kun stra surega su ising lakte bane na kasu kana de bane ja sing lak pasina higher authority kangbuda pau pe biro asi fill up tawna nawa hona biro
sing yam wadana labuk tasu ising kaya sak leite amata su nong tar kana tapna lingaga akhoi khun sidi yam wa bani ising yam pam bani kenel su kaya su ising amata su phangde bani
karai legi loge
adagi chingdagi wana lo bani khitang ni ko turin lok pisak pik pani ko adudagi loraga cha bani khoi sida di lo de sina lo na cha de khoi na cha thak na bani.
To be mentioned, the Khuga Major Irrigation Project at Khuga Dam in Churachandpur district was taken off in the year 1980 with an estimated cost of 15 crore rupees, but it was completed with a total expenditure of 434.65 crore rupees on October 3 of 2011. Sadly, the residents of Churachandpur district are facing serious water shortage crisis till date, and for which the villagers are lamenting on the issue to Tom TV.
Now let's have a short commercial break.
Hello, good morning sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba product sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung genset ni. Documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance, amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikoi gi sport servicing van adongi damakta matham pumbada leijari. Bus sing yon badanatana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis da lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su pangdigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikoi gi mai pakpana.
Hainabane miyoi bagi athoi balandi hakchang fana na deitana leibaduni pumnama asi oibada sana khonabana maruni karigi chingnari adongi angang singi career shamnabagi dama lairik tamna pamjaba sport ki discipline amada tambagi khudung chaba spizari sel ichangchangmena icha sembagi tangna phamu khudung chaba silawi Inkhalakliba nupi macha amadi nupa macha singgidamak national amadi international gi thakta train torba course kayana lamjing lam takpigani kaubiraganu private sports academy Guwahati April gi tang 13 dagi section haujaragani form thajinbagi areba matam April gi tang 9 For more details please contact to the managing director Private Sports Academy Guwahati under the CV Singh School Mirja, Guwahati.
Welcome back. 13 years Gokul from Kakching Pazilaikai was diagnosed with chronic kidney failure but could not avail the CMHT scheme despite the family having the said card. Here is an exclusive report on this.
Sickness and sufferings are part and parcel of human society, and the existence of related departments including Directorate of Health Services, Medical Directorate and Directorate of Family Welfare is supposed to provide assistance to its citizens on time when needed. 13 years old Gokul Mayanglambam was born in Kakching Pazilaikai in 2006 as a normal child. Being born to a jobless parents, his father Mayanglambam Sanayan and mother Mayanglambam Bimochachi Devi, his 70 years old grandmother M. Sanahal Devi is the only breadwinner in the family. On face-to-face interaction with Tom TV, M. Gokul's auntie Mayanglambam Kumari lamented that life took a stone unturned for the poor family when Gokul started experiencing swelling on face, stomach and legs after 4 years of his birth.
Ngalak baga khoi maga khoi segana langthaban gi doctor ibom char puge bako puraga aude adum layeng basi hora khare mai ising chat basi nungai ta badai hidak si guli moi tharak basi adum chare adai demo rims amuk doctor ranbi damo rims ki doctor ranbi damo yengaga numi mapani tarane amuk lai adomuk pudarai amuk nungai ta matam ising chat ba warakan amuk pui adai demo imana ifa lai gi ba aina senaraga lehu matamna Masanu ay nagtamatam na ay nang gari wala pura ngitsaki may kakamalay na medo sumay taw ta siya na ba sila lay matam na ayang siya ay nabanda hapa pura garim sikikita no pa man tada bira medo ay na punta uraga wajitin si kauraga jitin Hangu si mong masanong ay taday na pure. Rim si sang si lau hara mara laga mo pujila sa limadam suda angang si mamay si sumuk siyaw. Masaso itaw sawi ako na di umatam mi may na di hangay. kari na bai no ngang jai matam na moi khoi na si ubra hai khoi su nungai ta da au khoi na si bai ni haji la khumme adu dai dum ji.
With desperate effort, his family took him to several hospitals in the states and outside the state as well, even by selling their land. After a series of tests, Gokul was confirmed with chronic kidney failures at International Hospital, Guwahati on 10 March 2016, the family added.
Angang si kano se kidney se sindok biro haid harak pada ai sin wakan si am nungai gidre akhoi na karamai na kidney sinngam doctor akhoi di paisa leite hai matam ma la ahum pura ga lao hai ba karai dei paisa ai si pungau ngau re chen pura lao hai ba dei aru dei laga chumai tamare tamma matam upai leitam ni na taspat ki upai leitre adui ta hidak si chal si haraga hai gan amok chumok chek chat lau hare chek lau hai batu aina paisa puthok chai akoi ahungi flight ticket aina hana mangdong na kap ka ga thame Guwahati gi adui matam ango si chalam da gi pung 10 gi adui pa phul horak badai ma si chat bangam da akoi ma ga ainu pa ga na okto da ba ga si jiban hospital si asida ma si pujil han ga re adu aina akoi lenin si pura ga Guwahati chalangai flight ticket tu cancel tawrongai sachi si ngan si cancel nang dare noi pung ani ama khakta ngai re noi ticket cancel nang dare harak badagi cancel tawdana cancel nang dara mina tawdare
Gokul's grandmother, M. Sanahal, said Gokul was taken to Caesar Hospital in Langol as advised by the doctors in RIMS on 2nd March 2019 for dialysis, but the poor stricken family was surprised as the CMHT scheme is not available in Caesar Hospital.
Phangde chatluba adui damukta pubane wakato adu amada hairugan moisidi kanu tawde haire adagi sijerom da chapasu matam khara tawrame ade hojikti sen thum laktabana asi chatna dre da hare upai leitabana na dum tawre chatta yadabana na ngangi de khona pura langa ga dum jengmana ngasi baw yeng.
The problems for Gokul has been increasing day by day due to the inability of dialysis machine which could not be available to perform the dialysis process for the young child like Gokul in the state. Now the only option for the family is to undergo for transplantation or the operation outside Manipur. But the big questions remains of how the family will to Gokul to outside states for the treatment or for the operation due to the inabilities or the low family income. With camera person Nares, for Tom TV News, Blessing Gangmai, Katsing Pajilaikai.
A mobile phone hearing awareness program on human rights was held at the conference hall of Elora Hotel Moray under the supervision of acting chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Kaidamani, yesterday. As a part of the program, the team will visit the villagers of Howlanfai, which is along the Indo-Myanmar border, and inspect the condition of Moray Hospital. Speaking to media persons, acting chairperson of MHRC, Kaidamani, spoke of various human rights issues.
Mayam wakatu tanana ba ai ba musung orel animaki wakati tarerga ekoina kali toya ba government ki authority da marilina ba authority da karmaina recommend tawraga singba mayam na thengnari bu kodong chada mayam se to an ya gadage haibe se adu matang da chathabani.
The All Manipur Working Journalists Union and Nephrology Department of RIMS have jointly organized a one-day free health awareness and free kidney disease detection camp at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking at the occasion, Professor of Nephrology Department RIMS, Dr. N. Sarat Kumar, said that it is necessary for the working journalists, both print and electronics, to get health checkups from time to time as they relentlessly deliver news to the public without any hassle, and they tend to ignore their health.
Kidney swallow ergadi kidney swallow paya balena sing si control da thamba khudam moina blood pressure sugar le ergadi blood sugar si control toba blood pressure le ergana blood pressure control tobiba adagi akhoi haksang phana thamba di weight helanda ba chaba thak pasi chang lai ba balance toba diet chabi ba exercise to ba adi amna wa hafta amada numin mangani se no moda pung khai ma yam dra da humang tan chat pa adi haksang si pa na thambi ba adu surup thakpi da ba adi sing yam thak pa sum ba mayam sing se khoi da section lagadi kidney si su narak pai chang se khara ma khai han thaba ngam.
Socialist Students Union Manipur celebrates its 4th Foundation Day today at Hindi Parishad Hall in Old Assembly Road today. Convener of Young Communist League, W. Kamasor, Executive Member of MPPDU, Siam Tayengjam, and President of SSUM, Soraisam Yai Mamite were the main guests. During the celebration, 5 students from poor families were provided assistance, and later volunteers of SSUM and students donated blood at Jennings Hospital. A team of Thawal police led by Thawal OC have made a special drive in Karen Bikog and arrested 4 persons and seized liquor around 11 a.m. today. The apprehended persons were Nongthombam Sakhi, wife of Anjitan of Karen Bikog Mamang Lekai, Nongthombam Ibamhal, wife of Manitomba from Karen Bikog Mamang Lekai, Hizam Siam Kumar, son of Led Omor, and Nongthombam Mani, son of Led Ibotombi from Karen Bikog Mamang Lekai. A large amount of local wine and other raw materials for making liquor were detained from them. Meanwhile, in another incident, Yaripok police also seized a large quantity of local wine from Kundrakpam Basanta, son of Let Kumbong from Kangabok Part 3. Police have intensified security measures ahead of Lok Sabha polls and conducted search operations in various parts of Imphal areas. A combined team of Imphal East Commandos and 6 Assam Rifles have conducted search operations at Chanam Sandrok under the jurisdiction of Irilbung Police Station this morning. Altogether, 197 persons were verified while 1 person was detained at Irilbung Police Station. In Imphal West Districts, Imphal West Commando Bajar Unit conducted combing operations from Maharani Bridge to the land crossing. During the operations, a total of 557 individuals were verified while 22 individuals were without proper documents to support their identity were detained at City Police Station. 15 Assam Rifles under the supervision of 9th Sector Assam Rifles distributed sewing machines to the women folk of Nongada and Sagolmang today as part of Civic Action Program today at Kanhai Macha Ningsing Sanglen. 3 sewing machines including stands were distributed to the women folk of Lamlai and Nongada each. Another 3 machines were handed over to the women folk of Sagolmang. Speaking at the event, President of Sagolmang, Mairapai Bilup, El Mimitoibi said that such developmental programs taken up by the Assam Rifles for the people will bridge the gap between the people and the security personnel.
Ngasi akhoi asarai phani cha jing siga akhoi ga sumaina khusamna dana sahi kaya gi mamang da di asugumba asarai phani haraga akhoi tu jungman jungba ki ba phawlamba dugumba mayam ama lairamba do ngasi di akhoi je amatani haibagi ichasing si ki ba phawrak ta ba nungai ba nuksi ba phawrak ba sugumba lairak ba se masi yamna nungai jai.
Now once again let's have a short commercial break.
Lamjingba jewelry na adom gidama khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari akhoi service sing di inat kyoiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari sana asamal khwaidagi name na logzari nomaizing numitsu adom service ta leizari. Ngasimak Lengsin Birau, Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764-29-34425 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
The party BJP has finalized its alliances in the Northeast, setting a target of winning at least 22 of the 25 Lok Sabha seats from 8 states of the region. Mr. Madhav, the BJP's in charge of the Northeast, held a series of discussions in Guwahati on Tuesday till past midnight and sealed alliances with the Assam Gana Parishad, Bodoland People's Front (BPF), Indigenous People's Front of Tripura (IPFT), National People's Party, Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party, and the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha. The alliances have been finalized under the Northeast Democratic Alliance (NEDA), the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance political coalition with the regional parties of the region. The BJP, NPP, NDPP, AGP, and BPF will fight together in Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Arunachal Pradesh with the mission of defeating Congress Party at the hustings. In Tripura, the BJP will fight elections together with IPFT, our alliance partner. In Sikkim, BJP's alliance will be with the main opposition party, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha. Congress President Rahul Gandhi has kick-started the party's election campaign in Kerala by addressing the fisher folk in the coastal state. Addressing the Fishermen's Parliament in Thrissur, he promised a Ministry of Fisheries if voted to power. He also promised to bring in legislation for 33% reservation for women in the Parliament and state assemblies. Targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi wondered who was sponsoring the advertisement of Prime Minister Modi in television and newspapers, as around 15 big industrialists are marketing Modi and the Prime Minister is in turn protecting their interests, Rahul Gandhi alleged. The Congress in Arunachal Pradesh has decided to forge an alliance with regional party, the People's Party of Arunachal (PPA), and is working out options to rope in more parties. State Congress President Takam Sanjoy said that the Congress would have a pre-poll alliance with PPA in the state and the party is ready to work with like-minded parties. Arunachal Pradesh will have the Legislative Assembly and Lok Sabha polls simultaneously. While there are 60 Legislative Assembly constituencies in Arunachal Pradesh, there are 2 Lok Sabha constituencies in the state. Meanwhile, the Congress, which was ousted from power in Mizoram, is also planning to contest the Lok Sabha polls along with the Joram People's Movement (JPM). The Congress will field the candidate for the lone Lok Sabha seat in Mizoram, and JPM will provide support. China has for the 4th time put on hold a proposal at the United Nations to designate Jais-e Mohammed (JEM) Chief Masood Azhar as a global terrorist. The proposal against Azhar was initiated by France and backed by the United Kingdom and United States. Moreover, countries like Australia, Bangladesh, Germany, Poland, Italy, Japan, and Belgium also supported the move. However, ignoring the mutual stain of all these nations around the world, China has blocked the proposal. This came after China had earlier blocked the same proposal in 2011, 2016, and 2017. However, China's move has greatly disappointed the Indian government. The Minister of External Affairs said that the move has prevented action by the international community to designate the leader of Jais-e Mohammed (JEM), a proscribed and active terrorist organization which has claimed responsibility for the terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir on 14 February 2019. Now, let's have a look to some of the newspaper headlines published in some local dailies.
The People's Chronicle. BJP seals pool packs in Northeast, resurrects ties with AGP. Ibobi heads to Delhi for selection meet. AR rescues kidnapped woman, nabs captors. The Morning Bell. Assam Rifles rescues kidnapped woman, apprehends NSCN CIM cadres involved in kidnapping. 8 municipal councils revoked cease work strikes temporarily. Rent. Hailstorm likely in 3 northeast states on March 15. The Shanghai Express. Race for BJP tickets hots up in 2 seats. Deputy Election Commissioner to visit Imphal. 5 complaints lodged via e-vigil. Imphal pre-praised. NSCN CIM operates in Manipur. Army rescue kidnapped victim. Delhi Associations of Manipur Muslim Students opposes STDC's demand. AIPCC and MYFA convenes meeting with Akhil Gogoi. Manipur Mail. NPP chief to visit Manipur for party's pool strategy. EVM and VVPT awareness campaign. 2 Pakistani Air Force jets go supersonic 10 km from LOC in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. IAF on high alert.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. Now the top stories. Center wants to give ticket to retired Lieutenant General Himalaya while Chief Minister Biren to ex-MLA Loken. Journal Public Health Laboratory Moray remains non-functional lock. And Loktak Irrigation Project exists in name only. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates. Thank you.